Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back doing another 2 trades today, and today is December the 4th. High impact news today. So let's take a look at Forex Factory for the news today, Wednesday, December the 4th. On this Aussie news at 7:30, retail sales month over month. And the trade balance, they're both negative, they're both red. So that means we're going to be selling the Aussie dollar. So, which way is it going to go? Well, my channel trigger actually tells me which way it's going to go. So let's take a look at it. Here we go. This is what I usually do, put them side by side, the 2 pairs that I want to trade. There's the Euro Aussie on the left side, and on the right side, it's the Pound Aussie. So let's drag and drop to see exactly where I got in, which happened to be 4 minutes before the news. My channel trigger was actually telling me to buy, no big surprise. I don't know how it can predict it, but with a high degree of accuracy, it actually predicts it before the news, 5, 10, or 15 minutes before. So on this Euro Aussie right here, I got in right at this cursor here at this point, and I closed it out, let me see, less than 10 minutes. I closed it out with 30 pips here. No particular reason other than I'm very happy with 30 pips. Just to let you know, today was the last day finishing up the channel trigger system and all the videos, so it is ready to go. Let's check out this Pound Aussie, but before we get to the Pound Aussie, on the Euro Aussie, this 30 pips right here produced 27.30 and some change. So now we're going to run a check on the other one here. Pound Aussie, just drag and drop it in and you'll see where your trade is. Got in right at this cursor here and closed it out right here with 40 pips. And those 40 pips in roughly 10 minutes of work, as I'm sitting here watching the hockey game, paid $35.41 and some change. So grand total was 70 pips, and I ended up with $62.71 and some change. And as you can see in the meter here, the Aussie is still less than 20%. So this can easily keep going, but I'm happy with 70 pips for 10 minutes work, and you should be also. So if your system is not producing results like this on a daily basis, I suggest that you get your hands on the channel trigger system. So all you have to do is look right below this video right here, and you'll see this right up on the channel trigger. My channel trigger system, which I charge $250 for. I can also bring up side by side here. Here's the Word document, and here are all the videos that I completed with it. Let me just, so you can see this a little bit better. So I do teach how to backtest the channel trigger. A lot of videos in here. Great way to trade, how to trade with a day job, how to trade the channel, how to trade pullbacks and reversals, how to trade the London close, how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions here, best trading tips, how to trade Aussie weakness, and as you can see there's how to scalp right in here, and the one I just did today, there's the date, December the 4th, how I traded Bank of Canada rate statement for 75 pips. So for 75 pips this morning and 70 pips now, that's 145 pips. So I'm not sure how much more trading I'm going to do the rest of the week, but if I see a nice setup, there's no reason why not to, gather some more pips, take some more pips from the market. So let's see now. You'll get an exact copy of my system put on your MT4 platform. I can help you with that if you need assistance. And now this comes with 3.5 gigabytes of training. I remember I bought many systems and I was lucky to get 1/10 of the education that I give within these training videos, and I would pay a lot more than $250. So I just wanted to let you know that I believe in giving a lot of training and a lot of education. And you will find that within these PDF books and Word documents. Now there's 4 MT4 templates along with 9 custom indicators and my favorite currency meter. And don't forget the $1 million trade plan. That's where you'll take $1,000 or $2,000. I recommend more than starting with more, like $2,000 or $3,000. Give you a little bit of wiggle room, and where you can turn $1,000 into $1 million in less than a year, and you only need 1 trade a day for 10 pips. Just follow the plan here and you'll understand how that is completed, or how that is possible. So if you have any questions at all about the $1 million trade plan or the channel trigger system, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Or shoot me an email, Forex_, don't forget the underscore here. Or I really do prefer Skype, Forex, there's that underscore again. Now with Skype and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, and that'll last about 45 minutes, depending on how many questions that you may have for me. And that will be a free session, so no obligation. Now if you want to see all 24 of my trigger systems, all you got to do is click on this link, and there is some screenshots of that. Just click on this link right here. Now of course 6 weeks ago or so, I can't remember exactly when, I did a review of my top 4 trigger systems. Just click on this link. And most recently I just did a review of my channel trigger system. So now I do have a top 5 favorite trigger systems. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading.